Ebusensiari asem no enya yehu MTN Ghana is under attack. Hackers for MTN Ghana gide. MTN Ghana the communicate about to much say obia se send mobile money pin code. Or mobile money 4 digits na your pin code no obia se send. Amanfo ni bia se send so still Triana boys try amanfo sika from account so without their consent, and it is interesting say obia ya twini sika bia no eko telecell Ghana. Then a cost for Ghana Hano. No be redeemed for let of the buy. Now is a man for complain or more yet. Now what I the mamma ever commentation. Eddie Asem Pana air cost with MTN Ghana. CCM no a ding comment. Eddie Asem and air cost. A high Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Obey like video now. What I want subscribers and some click notification latest updates. Now back to the wife and their mamma ever commentation. Mess was Baswa. No she will more for so any be ashe. A new payable bra on say and you'll be on a bank accounts. Obu one no the bank account any mobile money, because having mobile money is the same as having bank account. Yes, it's the same thing. Just say disadvantage of mobile money say mobile money no. Si kana say the whole bottom. Oh chiro kakra bia what I say. Oh chiro kakra bia bekum. Oh he won't miss you. Ba bank say the ara say sika no gubo. Etikese bia na dua kra no. Anka kon do chinjin ka beto to chinjin ka wi a. Enu za onkoda ma de enchine na sa nkwase asem na te woni so aha ba since can go phone so that mobile money there obo wa koye cash out ada kwato it no I think say one advantage mobile saving at the bank over saving in mobile money, but among people prefer mobile money because of how efficient and fluent the operation is. We bet save 5 me one friend be at the no try to 5 6 e mo no ana and o save with that through mobile money. Now back here the issue of cyber fraud, start here. And MTN Ghana is one of the networker. I don't know what is happening, whether they have very weak security force or what. MTN is always compromised when it comes to the security aspect of MTN. Every day, their security is being compromised. People have been complaining, say, people have been withdrawing their money without their consent or having to alert, say, an amount of so and so has been withdrawn from your account without even the person entering his mobile money password. Eti nibia say eh dey na ekoso. E dey say ebeye bebe organ hanu until 15th April ni mu. Anole de be eba abontene ba oba TikTok ebe complaining say owo he ye onye transaction bia mo money on the password. And so obi and withdraw an amount of 11,000 plus from mobile money wallet.
Dear MTN Ghana, with the CCA, somebody has withdrawn 11,000, close to 12,000 from my mobile money account. What did I do? Nothing. Nobody has called me for any transaction ID. Nobody has called me for my mobile money PIN. So how come I called your office after seeing the transaction and they are telling me I should hold on for 15 working days? 15 working days saying, are we safe? MTN Ghana. I called and the lady was even rude. 11,000, is it so soft to come by? Is it soft to come by MTN Ghana? Why? Every day fraud. I called your office and all they could tell me is I should wait for 15 working days. And the people have cleared all my accounts. 11,000 citizens are there. MTN Ghana, please do something about this. I beg you. Some people's money, my money, I never send me. Every way I never send 12,000 Ghana citizens. MTN Ghana, I have screenshots here with transaction ID. So if I haven't approved anything, I haven't approved my mobile money, how come somebody can enter my mobile money and withdraw all my money from my account? MTN Ghana. Every way I never send this very hot Sunday afternoon. They withdrawn 11,100 and later withdrawn 220 cedis. That day we are way Bonnie Ben and MTN Ghana. Trefi free to me.
11,000 this modern Ghana 2025 11,000 ekokwa. Emma no nkwa many other people and about social media no be also kind of cause MTN for draw more attention to that. You are draw yes I say among for a lose interest with MTN. They are losing interest in MTN. Saving money with MTN, but many people were losing interest. Now, at talk also, there was an ENRA and MTN Ghana. Edu communicate about one thing. As a press statement, no, omu issue no. On the 28th of April 2025, which is yesterday, media release MTN cyber security incident. Accra, 28th April 2025. MTN Group has experienced a cyber security incident. However, our platforms remain fully operational and we continue to monitor our environment closely. The confidentiality, integrity, and availability of our systems remain central to how we operate and serve our customers. We are mindful that our stakeholders may have concerns. While at this early stage of the investigation, we have not been able to ascertain the full extent of the incidents. Early indications are that about 5,700 MTN Ghana customers' data may have been affected. Kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ mu sɛ obi atumi penetrate to their engine room ama esi ano nipa kɔ bɔwura ɔmo database so no about 5,700 customers account is being affected. The account have been compromised. We will contact the customers involved. There's a mobile is mobile start your course. We are working closely with leading cybersecurity experts and are conducting a forensic investigation to assess any impact to our environment in line with our established security protocols. The investigation is still ongoing and we are devoting the requisite resource to resolve this matter. As a reminder, customers are encouraged to remain vigilant and follow regular security measures as follows. As you are staying vigilant and focused, as MTN customer, one, to mitigate any fraudulent consequences. A fraud alert that can place on an individual's credit report at any of the major credit bureaus. Two, keep MTN, MOMO, and banking apps and devices updated. One, unya alert biara so nya prompt biara, you're careful. Money, how be wani fe, be wani nashe, be wani fe, as a be wani fe. What I say? Unya alert biara, be wani fe. Two, so you see my MTN Ghana, any of those banking apps no phone so make sure that the application is being updated. Because at modern one, and it is being compromised easily because update when be back versus for security near the other. Two, update application. Three, use strong, unique password for account and change them regularly. There's a password now based don't use a guessable one. Also go based on the password. The number last four digits and then the new PIN code. Wait, obi first four digits. Just say easy to guess. Easy to get. And then what you say, o PIN code no. Others say o PIN code no. You should adia a more share. And from time to time, a year update, change your PIN code time to time. Be cautious of unexpected messages and do not click on suspicious link. Oh, money I send you. Why is sharing 5G data bundle. Click on this link. Sa link in your bia. Don't click on it. Be careful. Now I'm pay for there. And Mahama get funded and they may say obia creative link be spam link. No send them out. Boss who have say data or similar is information in abeko. Obetime ba wura abesi can see. Almost say you're careful. Onya any message bia is onya transaction bia the enkopem sikabum and ma dufudia enya with it. Do not disclose information such as password, pins, and OTP when asked to do so by phone, text message, or email. Say, if it's almost be quite a password and country. Then I'm before ya, but menana, Mr. Wa, Gisky, Jimmy phone, you send this cover me by mammy. A true password my endo, Mr. Why your phone never, then boys me trust you, me cram home and trust me. A do password, why your phone, never password. And count password in channel. I say, and count password, confidentiality, good. And count password, entering. 3. Activate multi-factor authentication where available. Let's say, you see my MTN apps and the other banking apps now. there was second factor authentication on my even able to make so fingerprint any other just to authenticate or to validate any transaction. MTN assures its customers that the privacy of information is our top priority, and we remain committed to safeguarding the integrity of our systems and the trust placed in us by our customers and other stakeholders. We continue to contain and manage this matter carefully. We understand that these incidents may raise concerns, and we are committed to providing you with the updates and guidance required during this time. If you have any suggestions or questions or need additional information, please do not hesitate to reach out to our support team on our toll-free customer care number 100. So this is President with the MTN Ghana release here. Almost said their system has been compromised, especially the security aspect of their system is being compromised. Ama omu database will be corrupted. Nipa 5,700 omu FACBR has been compromised. Now MTN for the adu eba ya no. Ana man for still even just say there be them MTN for ade amoya no enye enti Joe Biden eba Twitter and of make post and what say at this point I am dying and I need a serious help. I changed my MOMO pin yesterday after the next one no odin yedinkan withdrawn 2,812 cedis. Yedinkan change Joe Biden 2,812 cedis. And MTN for the communicating by and other can my message some password I don't know or is the password actually still in fact at this point I am dying and I seriously need help. I changed my MOMO pin yesterday after the 2,812 Ghana cedis disappeared and I haven't had any money in it until this evening. I need to buy food. So my brother sent me 100 cedis and now it's gone. And I'll target MTN Ghana. I saw a message in one. Payment received for 6 p.m. Yay. Is it? And 6 p.m. Yay. Payment received for, so and so 100 cedis from Stephen Saki. Account balance 170 pesos. And basically, can be told more send another message. Your payment of 99 cedis to Telecel push. I didn't know the BSC can train a Telecel. I didn't ya. I didn't MTN. See, can be a from MTN Ghana a Telecel push. MTN for me tell mo we are on. MTN Ghana money Telecel more camp na mo we na mo me no mo de mo yentra na said. Because I don't get it. I don't get it. It's Joe Biden edway by any Joe Biden kwa. Emu a ana say Echo eso eba say MTN Ghana, are you going to refine those whose monies were stolen? Because this is getting way out of hand. Someone just lost 39,300. Obi loses 393 million. I screenshot bibia wo mu. Bibia wo ha ekwan ko sika ne fast ban account so or uncle din can send the pin code. Your pin code has been changed. If you don't recognize this change, then please contact customer care or they send the pin code. MTN for sending confirmation or one when you alert and say an amount of 5,000 cedis have been pushed to Vodafone, have been sent to Telecel push. Or one man was saying another confirmation said an amount of 10,000 have been sent to Telecel push. And was saying another message. Charlie, Aqua could do say the back on YG loan. You see, I'll apply for MTN quick loan 6.440. It's MTN Ghana. The cost on there, more here, more service no, more service no man here, a more service no man here, money be guase. Anna with Arvin as well as I just lost 4,600 cedis. Nini na Telecel push ni zikaneko. Enti ede ne so. MTN Ghana mon ka bibin kire mon ni Telecel for ede nko na se obetwi sika bia MTN to Telecel but enko ede to go da. Adintia. Mummy and Macam na mu wi aye anase mo ye de. So abusia bia also some password ni bi. You come to for say obi answer the pin code. Amount for say we were still obi say accurate no we lose 39,300. Ama we abaye ani bredesem pa ma Ghana for. Sika ho aye de ne. Unya bisu na wo say bu na say de be kopa de ni nyina nya. Ye beto chinchin carry because all the twa wonu mo se ne say e be da phone say wo say bu na wonu rounds one day 190. Na kwase ya bi atwe abres can it is non-refundable. You can't refund it. it is not refundable. If you dem MTN form tua oka omu fama. It's no. You're careful. And me too was and first account to phone so. And first account to mobile money. Me, I don't keep money. So me easy account to mobile money. Easy be na I am going to withdraw. I'm going to do cash out. Any ho na no. Now I will withdraw the money from my EcoBank account to mobile money. Then over there now I do cash out. Simple. You can create EcoBank account as you are in your house. You just download the app, you register, you do the synchronization, you do the biometric, everything, you are done. You have a certified EcoBank account with strong security. Obetime move this from mobile money to EcoBank, then EcoBank to mobile money. Now they are trying to perfect as I am doing. So why your mama you're careful. What I say, money now on SI system no. Ema you. Try your mama comment section. How you Penyah block media.